Feeling tired, moody, struggling with weight gain, or just not yourself lately? Your hormones might be out of whack. But don't worry, because in this video, we're breaking down 6 powerful, science-backed ways to bring them back into balance. Trust me, this isn't just about women. Men, you too. Low testosterone, brain fog, sleep issues? Yep, that's hormones messing with you. But by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to fix it. So, stick around. Chapter 1. The root cause of hormonal imbalances. First, what's actually happening inside your body? Your hormones are like tiny chemical messengers, controlling everything from your energy levels, metabolism, mood, sleep, and fertility. When they're balanced, you feel great. When they're off, your mind and body are off. Let's examine number 1. Cortisol, the stress hormone. When it is too high, it leads to burnout, weight gain, and anxiety. Number 2. Melatonin and growth hormones. Poor sleep and low melatonin are linked to poor functioning. Number 3. Testosterone. Sleep is when testosterone is naturally restored, especially during deep sleep. When your testosterone is too low, you can say hello to fatigue, low libido, and belly fat. Number 4. Thyroid hormones. They are the master of our metabolism. When off, you feel sluggish and gain weight easily. Number 5. Estrogen detox. When the body doesn't eliminate excess estrogen properly, it builds up, leading to estrogen dominance, a common hormone imbalance in both men and women. If this sounds like you, don't worry. Here are 6 ways to fix this, going step by step. Chapter 2. Step number 1. Control your cortisol, the stress hormone. Cortisol is public enemy number 1. If it's too high for too long, it can overstimulate the nervous system, which leads to weight gain, especially belly fat, increased heart rate, imbalanced neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, anxiety and insomnia. Quick fixes. Number 1. Ditch caffeine after 2 p.m. When you consume caffeine, it triggers the sympathetic nervous system, also known as the fight or flight response. This stimulation causes the body to release cortisol, the main stress hormone. Over time, frequent caffeine consumption can lead to chronically elevated cortisol levels, contributing to anxiety, insomnia, and fatigue. Try matcha or herbal tea instead. Number 2. Deep breathing and meditation. Just 5 minutes a day can lower cortisol fast. When you meditate, you shift from the fight or flight stress response, controlled by the sympathetic nervous system, to the rest and digest state, regulated by the parasympathetic nervous system. Close your laptop for just 5 minutes and experience a shift that reduces cortisol production and helps your body recover from everyday stress we all experience. Number 3. Magnesium. A game changer for stress relief. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, which can lead to symptoms like anxiety, fatigue, and irritability. Magnesium helps to modulate cortisol production, preventing it from spiraling out of control and promoting a more balanced stress response. Eat healthy fats and proteins like avocados, dark chocolate, and nuts, or take a supplement. Chapter 3. Step 2. Fix your sleep to balance melatonin and growth hormone. Ever notice how bad sleep makes the challenges of everyday life worse? That's because melatonin and growth hormones get thrown off, affecting fat loss, muscle repair, and even your hunger hormones. Melatonin is often called the sleep hormone because it regulates the sleep-wake cycle. It's naturally produced by the pineal gland in response to darkness and plays a major role in signaling your body that it's time to sleep. Melatonin not only helps with sleep but also plays a role in immune function. When sleep is sufficient, melatonin helps regulate immune responses, potentially reducing inflammation and enhancing overall health. Quick fixes. Number 1. No screens 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Blue wavelengths of light from laptops or computers are the most potent in suppressing melatonin. The brain interprets exposure to blue light as daytime light, signaling that it's still daytime and not time to sleep. Number 2. Get sunlight in the morning. By getting natural sunlight early in the day, you help synchronize your circadian rhythm, leading to more consistent melatonin secretion in the evening. This ensures you fall asleep at the right time and get a full night of restorative sleep. Number 3. Take magnesium and glycine before bed. Magnesium helps activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for calming the body and preparing it for sleep. Number 4. It aids in relaxing the muscles and nervous system, reducing tension and promoting physical and mental relaxation. Chapter 4. Step 3. The right diet for hormone balance. Food is the most powerful tool for balancing hormones. Hormones like estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone are made from cholesterol and fatty acids. Without enough healthy fats, your body can't produce hormones efficiently, leading to imbalances. Healthy fats balances hormones, avocados, salmon, nuts, olive oil, dark chocolate, egg yolks, coconut oil, and seeds, including chia seeds, flax seeds, hemp seeds, and sunflower seeds. Avoid trans fats found in processed foods, as they interfere with hormone function. Healthy fats help flush out excess estrogen and keep hormones balanced. Cruciferous veggies detox excess estrogen. These include broccoli, cauliflower, kale, cabbage, bok choy, and Brussels sprouts. Excess estrogen from plastics, processed foods, and poor gut health can lead to PMS, fibroids, bloating, and weight gain. Ditch processed sugar for insulin control. Cut back on soda, sweets, and refined carbs. When you consume sugar, your body breaks it down into glucose, which causes insulin levels to rise. Insulin is a key hormone that helps regulate blood sugar. However, frequent spikes in insulin due to high sugar intake can lead to insulin resistance, where the body's cells no longer respond to insulin properly. Chapter 5, Step 4. Boost testosterone naturally, in both men and women. Low testosterone leads to fatigue, low libido, and loss of muscle. Here's how to boost it naturally. Number 1. Lift heavy weights. Resistance training increases testosterone. Number 2. Lifting heavy weights, especially compound movements like squats and deadlifts, stimulates testosterone production. Number 3. Optimize zinc and vitamin D. Optimizing zinc and vitamin D is one of the most effective ways to boost testosterone levels. Both of these nutrients play critical roles in hormone production, immune function, and overall metabolic health. Here's how to maximize their benefits. Zinc-rich foods are found in grass-fed meat, oysters, the highest source of bioavailable zinc, shellfish, pumpkin seeds, cashews, or zinc picolinate or zinc citrate supplements in a dosage of 15 to 30 milligrams daily. Vitamin D can be found in fatty fish, like salmon, sardines, and mackerel, egg yolks, mushrooms, dark chocolate, sun exposure, and supplements with vitamin D3, which is absorbed better than vitamin D2. Number 4. Ditch soy and seed oils. They can mess with testosterone levels. Soy contains phytoestrogens, which are plant compounds that mimic estrogen in the body. Seed oils have excessive omega-6, without enough omega-3, which can increase inflammation, which is linked to lower testosterone levels. Chapter 6. Step 5. Support thyroid health for faster metabolism. Your thyroid is the engine of your metabolism. Number 1. Keep it running smoothly by eating enough selenium, zinc, and iodine. Selenium helps convert T4, inactive thyroid hormone, into T3, the active form. Selenium also protects the thyroid from oxidative stress. Selenium can be found in Brazil nuts, shrimp, sardines, eggs, and mushrooms. Number 2. Zinc supports hormone production and immune health. Zinc can be found in Brazil nuts, seafood, sunflower seeds, eggs, beef, and pumpkin seeds. Number 3. The thyroid needs iodine to produce hormones that regulate metabolism. Iodine can be found in seaweed, iodized salt, fish, dairy, and eggs. Number 4. Ditch fluoride and chlorine in tap water. Studies suggest that high fluoride exposure may be a risk factor for lower thyroid function, or the development of thyroid disorders in certain populations, especially where iodine deficiency is present. Number 5. Support gut health with probiotics. A healthy gut is essential for proper thyroid function and nutrient absorption. An imbalanced gut microbiome can contribute to autoimmune thyroid issues and slow metabolism. The best probiotic-rich foods are sauerkraut and kimchi, yogurt, kefir, and miso and tempeh. Consider a high-quality probiotic supplement if you have digestive issues or frequent bloating. Chapter 7. Step 6. Final step. Gut health and estrogen detoxing. Your gut bacteria control how hormones are processed. If your gut is unhealthy, your hormones will be too. Number 1. Eat fermented foods. Your gut plays a crucial role in hormone balance, and an unhealthy gut can lead to estrogen dominance. Excess estrogen can cause weight gain, fatigue, mood swings, and hormonal imbalances. Fermented foods to assist in an estrogen detox are kimchi, sauerkraut, Greek yogurt, miso, kombucha, and apple cider vinegar. Number 2. Fiber is key. Your body eliminates estrogen through the liver and gut. If your digestion is sluggish or your gut bacteria are imbalanced, estrogen can get reabsorbed into the bloodstream, leading to estrogen dominance. For best results, combine fiber with fermented foods. The best high-fiber foods for estrogen detox are flax seeds, chia seeds, cruciferous veggies like broccoli, cauliflower, and kale to boost liver detox, berries, avocados, and legumes. Number 3. Stay hydrated. Your liver needs water to flush out toxins. Estrogen is processed by the liver and excreted through urine. Dehydration slows this process, causing estrogen to reabsorb into the body instead of being eliminated. Drink at least 8 to 12 cups of water daily to support kidney function and estrogen removal. Now you know 6 powerful ways to balance your hormones. Start with just 1 or 2 of these today, and I promise you will feel the difference. 4. Put in the comments below your biggest hormonal struggle. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Health Equals Wellness for more health hacks.